Hello friends, welcome to my channel Riz Fun Learning World. Today I am going to unbox something super cool and it is a thermocol fighter jet. I can't wait to unbox it and fly it outside. So let's get started. This is the main body of the fighter jet, which contains a rechargeable motor with a fan. This is the protector of the fan. And this is the wing. This is the tail fin of the fighter jet. This is the charging cable through which we can charge the jet fighter. So friends, now I am going to assemble it. Assembling this fighter jet is very simple and easy. Here is the thermocol fighter jet. Look at the design of the plane. This is the power button. This plane feels so light but looks very strong, and you can see LED lights below. Friends, let's go outside and fly this plane. This plane automatically offs after 30 seconds. Let's see how this fighter jet flies. Now let's fly this plane. My plane got stuck on trees.
Quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
This plane is amazing. Hope you like my fighter jet unboxing video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.